Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on how to easily adjust SafeSearch setting in your Bing search engine. Quick guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to come down below right here, right click on your window task menu, and then make sure you go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on search. Then you have to scroll down right here. Make sure you go to Bing Search History Settings. Then it will automatically redirect you to your Bing Search account. So in the first time, you will be asked to log in with your Microsoft account username and password. After you log in successfully to your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to take you right here. So what you want to do right here to manage your search setting, you have to come to the top right here, click on this three slider, and then make sure you click on Save Search. Under Save Search right here, there are three options right here. The first option here is strict. Filter out adult text, images, and videos from your search result. If you are the type that does not like any adult content, it is advisable you make sure you choose strict. So with that, you can come down below right here and make sure you click on Save, and it has successfully saved. So with that, anytime you are visiting any website or you are searching for anything with your search engine, with Bing search engine, if it has to do with adult content, maybe picture or video or text, so by using this particular thread, it's going to filter it out. You will not be able to see any adult content. This is very much important to enable on your child or your children or family PC to save your children from having exposure into adult content on web. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Bing search engine. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.